Note.md launched today on Product Hunt with a very quiet promise. Your notes and research documentation can become a local LLM memory. That sounds like a niche Mac app sentence. But for introverts, it points at something much larger. Most knowledge work is not blocked by intelligence. It is blocked by remembering where you put the thing, explaining your context again, asking someone whether they saw the paper, and pretending your scattered notes are a system. The actual dream is simple. Your work should remember itself. The product is a local-first markdown workspace for research writing. Product Hunt describes it as one place to read papers, manage sources, take markdown notes, and cite evidence. It turns literature into structured writing, instead of juggling Zotero, Obsidian, PDF readers, and writing apps. The AI angle is that your vault of cited notes can become memory for AI agents. In plain English, the material you already collected becomes the context layer, without sending your entire intellectual life into a random cloud workspace by default. That matters because research is one of the most introvert-coded workflows on Earth. You sit alone with too many tabs, 3 PDFs named final-final, and a notebook full of half sentences. And one brilliant quote you will definitely lose by Tuesday. Then someone says, "Can you just summarize the state of this topic?" Suddenly, the hard part is not writing. The hard part is reconstructing the path your brain already walked. A local AI memory changes the shape of that. Instead of starting from a blank chat box, you can ask against your own evidence. What did I save about pricing models? Which sources disagreed? Turn these notes into an outline. Find the citation behind this claim. Compare the 3 papers I marked important. That is not flashy. It is better than flashy. It removes the small social and cognitive tax of re-explaining your own project every time you need help. Through the introvert lens, note.md replaces a tiny research team. Not the glamorous version, where everyone is in a glass conference room pointing at strategy slides. The real version, one person organizing sources, one person remembering citations, one person checking what was already read, and one person turning raw notes into a coherent draft. If you work alone, all 4 people are you. Usually at midnight. Usually with a suspicious amount of coffee. The most important phrase here is local first. AI memory is powerful, but memory is also intimate. Your notes contain unfinished opinions, private questions, client context, and stray ideas, and the kind of messy drafts that should not become training data or team folklore. A local first setup does not magically solve every privacy problem, but it starts from the right default. Your knowledge base belongs to you first. My test for note.md would be practical. Import 1 messy research topic. Add 10 sources, 5 real notes, and 2 half-written arguments. Then ask the AI to do 3 jobs. Build an outline with citations, find contradictions between sources, and draft a short memo using only the vault. If it can do that without losing attribution or inventing confidence, it is useful. If it just summarizes vaguely, it is another pretty note app with a chatbot attached. The broader pattern is worth noticing. This week has been full of agents that promise to do things. Browse, spend, build, compare. But agents are only as useful as the memory they stand on. Without grounded context, they become enthusiastic interns with amnesia. With a clean source library, citations, and your own markdown trail, they can become something calmer, a research partner. There are cautions. Local first tools can become another silo. Markdown helps, because plain files are durable, but you still need export, search, sync, and a clean way to exclude sensitive notes. And memory quality depends on your inputs. If your vault is chaos, the AI will not magically become your librarian. It will become a very articulate witness to your filing system. So my verdict is, worth watching, especially for solo researchers, writers, founders, and anyone building a personal knowledge base they do not want to keep explaining. The best AI tools for introverts are not the ones that make us louder. They are the ones that make quiet work compound. Note.md is interesting because it treats notes as infrastructure, not decoration. Your past thinking becomes reusable context. Your sources stay attached to your claims. And maybe, for once, the research you did last month can actually help the work you are doing today.